Hello. Wayabota o. Wabi mikbo. Wabi mwegbe. Na. Consonants. Mahia wakai. Edo consonants. So, when able time, where children learn from known to unknown. Rundoni. Awe mo ahia we mi ukaje ni akawe uyaswe. Okay, mare my already na. Me a woni me fipe gbe ari edo vowels ni ma o kiki. To make one na the last video ni mahia wa ke we mi po. So pama me Edo party the head meeting Edo community party on the 24th 4 p.m. Here ga so here no be wa do wa me ya try ni mo ye ya ni mo ye live video wa make na be we ma ya bobu geni e ma gele wa bobo de buluku ma ri gba o ku se ma mu mo bo wa ya wa here ni record or ni mo ye live video wa be Facebook. So nania here mo chocolate give ka ya ni ro wa o a gift ni vi memu o he ni vi memu ni me na hin o he ni ya mo ibe ka no reva ya ma debe ya ma divine ya ma de anyebo because ya yin me danyo isisika so ona ni amu gime o ibe ka na ya ko we na ge bi no ru we me make na me guwa be gae wa gwe na hill amwen gwe ni cover right we me no be apple ori you we no do no ko ena the chocolate bar ori you we alima ori granola bar ori you we Rekia granola bar. Ejeme with your mommy here. Maybe January Christmas came another way. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Zuda's African Level TV. I was just saying in Edo language that today I'm going to focus more on children because this is the gift my children gave to me for the Christmas. I just said it, one apple, one chocolate bar, then there are 2 granola bars and 1 Christmas cane sweet. So I'm going to sing for all the children that will watch this video, and I use this as a point of contact for those who don't also have children to celebrate with them. May God answer your prayer. It's never too late. So on the 26th Boxing Day, under my NGO, we are talking about surrogacy, either in Africa or here, what it entails and what you need to know. So now I want to sing for the children, all the children in the house. Not only the children that gave me granola bar, but all the children in the house. Awa momu pomo mi vie o, mo iga momo vie o, momu pomo mi vie o, mo iga momo, momu pomo mi vie o, mo iga momo vie o, momu pomo mi vie o, mo iga momo. Waya we so wa momu pon, amo mi vie so pon, mo iga momo. What that means is you can borrow clothes, as in clothing to wear. You can borrow a VA. VA means coral beads. You can borrow all of this, but you can't borrow a child. So that's why this video, especially for children, I want everybody, both in diaspora, back home, during the Igwe festival, please pray for our children, pray for their prosperity, pray for their good health. It is a good thing in this land our children will collect. Our children will not take to drugs, they will not take to anything that we will not be proud of. Our children will continue to excel. That's why I sang that song. If the clothes that you don't have, you can go and borrow, you can go and buy, you can go and kill your credit card in Western Multimore, but you can't do that for a child. So that's by the wayside. Today, we're going to be talking about Edo consonants quickly. And we start from the previous knowledge. And that previous knowledge is everything about vowels that we taught the other day. So, but for today, we'll quickly just look at Edo consonants. That Edo consonants, the definition of the English consonant will start from there before we'll now go to how to pronounce the consonants. So Edo consonants, there are 8 in number. Yeah, and we have double consonants in Edo. In English language, they have single consonants, but in Edo language, we have double consonants. And that consonants is actually defined as a basic speech sound in which the breath is at the least partly obstructed and which can be combined with a vowel to effect a syllable. This is OED 2020, Edo consonants and examples of words that utilizes them as follows. Sorry, pardon me, I was very slow when I was reading. I don't have my glasses here. I have my Wede. No, what we call Wede, that is sunglasses. So, now, Edo consonant in my hair way. Edo consonant in Edo consonant in which is 8, Nebuti 8. So, Edo consonant, Nimati Edo consonant, Eveva, or Yamudia, 2 letters. Edo consonant, Yamudia. Orebo, 1 letter, Omudia. Ebonia, H consonant, just letter H. So, Edo Yeria, Edo Ahianlo H, or you mopa, you will buy a yeke. Ma beg a banner of Aswan Nana. Edo consonants name. No Kaonagai, no Pogivanagai, Boge Hanagai, Bogene, Nagai, no Bogi Se, Nagai, no Boge Han, Nagai, then no Bogi Nagai. Then the last one, Noyam Yuto, Oive. So, my teacher consonant now. We start where amagbene eni na ana me consonant eni. Ara we mikbone ya yewe full lecture on vowels and consonants. Oni ma amwe board yo. Again, my common making makana so I teach in Edo language in the students in my here no even a row through online. I think you have better kesu gain in row we are only aware Edo language. So my here teacher again our board agbeneni ladia. Agbeneni ladia I will need the children to identify the consonants. No river. Here I identify now on a line then that dog agbeni ladia. It can a voyage my identify. It can a consonant have a identify. Why I will say. So a GB or the first one neighbor. GB in as in Akugbe. Akugbe. Akugbe in Edo means unity. But the spelling for Akugbe is AKUGBE. So that again, a GB in or the consonant underlined. Akugbe or a Igeri. The Maria GB or the first consonant in Edo language. The second one, another GH. A GH in as in ego, money. Ego is spelled as I-G-H-O. So you underline the GH as the second consonant in Edo language. The third consonant in Edo language is KH. KH. KH in it is as in the Ohu. Ohu, woman. Ohu, to spell Ohu in Edo is O-K-H-U-O. Ohu. Ohu. O-K-H-U-O. So, Benikata, Edo language is the only language that you can have consonants at the middle, consonants at the beginning, consonants at the end. You can have double consonants in one word or one name, either family name or name of person. So let's proceed. Then the fourth consonant in Edo language is a KP. Only as you have Ikbomosa, Ikbomoba. Only an example of a KP. Then example of another KP. Another guy Okbia. 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 Okbia is O-K-P-I-A. Okbia. O-K-P-I-A. That means man. Then no you is lele. Another guy M-W me. Then I'm Oteme or Ohame. Oteme. Oteme no. Oteme. Oteme is O-T-E. Please, Oten. It means that the O has diacritic. There is a T. There is an E. Oteme. The E has a diacritic. Yeah. Ten. En. Then you have M-W-E-N. The M-W is consonant underlined. The E after the me is also that E that carries diacritic. And the last letter for Oteme is N. And you can also use Ohame. Ohame is spelled as O-H-A-M-W-A-E-N. Ohame. O-H-A-M-W-E-N. Ohame. Okay. Then you have ROH. The ROH as in Erame. My dad, my father, my popsy, my Erame Noge. It depends on what you call it. Or children growing up in diaspora, they have different names. They call dad. So, but Erame. So that's a very good example of it's a very good example of R-O-H, Erame. That Erame too is spelled as E-R-H, sorry, yes, E-R-H-A-M-W-E-N, Erame. Erame. Funny enough, that Erame does not spell as A. It's the pronunciation that is spelled as A. But technically, that Erame is spelled as letter E without diacritic. Erame. E-R-H-A-M-W-E-N. Me. Don't forget, anywhere you hear me, it means that the E that comes after the M-W is the one that carries diacritic. Yeah. So now we go to the R-R. Yeah, double R. That's the seventh consonant in Edo. Don't forget, Edo consonants are 8 in number, but they come as double letters. Double letters. So the number 7 consonant is R-R. That double R is as in Irioe. Oh, Riore. Sorry, I don't see well with these glasses. So, Iriore or Riore. So, like when you say wake up, Riore, wake up is double R. That one too carries double consonants. Riore, double R-I. O with diacritic, double R again, then E. Riore. So that A, it didn't say Riore. If you have heard E, it means that the last letter, when you spell the Riore, will come with the diacritic. It's very easy. Just try to know the diacritic, and you can read Edo language. You can do the pronunciations without headache, and you just see yourself flowing. Yeah. So now you have the last consonant is V. VB, as in Ewu. Ewu is a name of person. Ewu is a name of person. Ebu is a name of town. And then Kevbę is also a sample of consonants. So I think we will be stopping here. We just wanted to name the 8 consonants. Don't forget, Edo language consonants, there are 8 in numbers, but each consonant comes as 2 letters. And then we have given short examples of names. So, a consonant, consonant or Edo language, Mama oni ma se yaru, ma haiko awe okado kade, runda eveni magbe yoda we be na the subtitle. Only where learning Edo language with ease. Where think mama no eko do learn Edo language okado kade na eko awe be na aya on udo ase yaru, oze ni manako ri okado kade, iri ma eko ya awe. Wa ave onu we gbe na yo talk, we gbe video na. 8 consonants, Edo language in Edo. I went to my TV, Bena, una subscribe here, Zudos African Label TV. Ma fe kwa ma imoe, wuwe ekbetionta. He, ekwe kwa adame ho, ya adame ho, when you are here, a biro, Kevbę na yagben, to be able to get things right. You can play it over and over again. Let them remember to write the consonants down, starting from GB, GH, and then when they do GB and GH, they will take it from there slowly, and then start knowing when they can identify consonants. The first assignments we are going to give, we are going to write like 10 names and ask everybody to underline the vowel. That day, we are going to use flashcards to do the demo. We'll raise the word up and ask the children. That's when the full class takes off to underline the vowels, underline the consonants. They can even start with their names, or we do detection and ask them to also underline the vowels and the consonants. I think I will stop here. In our next class, we will do more. We'll do more of the consonants. At least try to give examples, more examples of names that have consonants or words that have consonants. After that, we will go straight to two-letter words, 3-letter words. Edo language has that, yes. Like ne, no, there are 2-letter words, N-O or N-E. Those are also very good examples for diacritic. Even with 2-letter words, you should be able to identify the diacritic or the consonant, and 3-letter words. Oh, why not? You can have something like a ho. There is already a consonant there, but it's a vowel. Meanwhile, it's a 3-letter word, you know? So we'll take it from there, and then later we'll talk about Okuku and the way we dress in Edo. So I'll stop here. Wayawe say, well, baby, don't forget, we have a dope party in my city, Abera, Edo community. We're having our end of year party on the 24th of December 2023. This is my last video before that day. Yes. So I wish you all the best. Waya iselogbe o, obemikpo, obiriyemi. But make sure we work koko or that week bewe. Amana ve mi go ve ya de. Come on, no ve ho ve gbo koko vie mo akia. No ve bi kan ve ya iremi So waya we say o, why mo be say, wa we say. Wa domo obemikpo.